In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Canva. We'll walk through the full process together, from choosing the right template all the way to exporting your final design, so you can use it on your website or share it with your audience. Even if you've never used Canva before, just follow along step by step and pause the video whenever you need to. First, open Canva in your browser and sign into your account. On the home page, go to the search bar at the top and type website or landing page. This will bring up a selection of website-style templates that are already formatted for scrolling pages. Take a moment to scroll through the options. Look for a layout that roughly matches your goal, whether that's promoting a product, collecting email signups, or showcasing a service. Don't worry about colors and fonts yet. You can change all of those later. Click on a template you like. Then click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the template is open, start by updating the main hero section at the top of the page. This is usually the first block with a large headline, some text, and maybe a button. Click on the headline text and replace it with a clear, benefit-driven statement about what you're offering. Underneath, edit the smaller text to briefly explain who this is for and what they'll get. Then, click on the Call to Action button and change the text to something specific like Get Started, Download Now, or Book a Call. Next, personalize the visuals. Click on any image in the template and use the Replace option to swap it with your own image or choose from Canva's built-in photo library. Try to use images that show your product, your service in action, or happy customers. You can also change the background colors to match your brand. Use the color controls in the toolbar to set a primary color for buttons and headings, and a neutral or contrasting color for backgrounds. Now, move down the page section by section. Edit the text for your features or benefits, keeping each point short and focused. If the template includes icons or graphics, click on them and search for alternatives that better represent your content. You can duplicate sections you like or delete any blocks you don't need by using the toolbar options. When you're happy with the layout and content, it's time to publish. Click the Website or Publish as Website option in Canva. Choose a scrolling website style so visitors can move down through your landing page. Canva will generate a shareable link that you can use immediately. You can also download your design as an image or PDF if you prefer to hand it off to a developer. Review your page one more time in the live preview. Check that links and buttons look correct, and you're done. You've just created a complete landing page in Canva, ready to share with your audience.